Introducing the ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a compact yet powerful solution designed to bring effective and energy-efficient cooling to spaces up to 350 square feet. With versatile 3-in-1 modes, user-friendly operation, and a commitment to quiet performance, this portable AC unit aims to redefine comfort during hot summer nights. Boasting a washable air filter for clean indoor air and easy installation with portability in mind, this air conditioner stands out as an ideal choice for diverse settings, from bedrooms and offices to kitchens and dorms. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cooling performance and energy efficiency. This air conditioner delivers fast, stable, and energy-efficient cooling, making it suitable for bedrooms up to 350 square feet. Designed to consume less electricity, it is an ideal choice for families and small businesses looking to save on energy bills. Number 2. Versatile 3-in-1 modes and user-friendly operation. Featuring 3 modes: cool, dry, and fan, this air conditioner offers versatile functionality. The easy-to-operate digital display and compact remote ensure a user-friendly experience, allowing users to customize their comfort effortlessly. Number 3. Sleep mode and low-noise operation. Equipped with a sleep mode and a high-efficiency compressor, this air conditioner achieves a low noise level of less than equals 54 decibels. This ensures a peaceful and undisturbed night's sleep during hot summer nights. Number 4. Washable air filter for clean air. This air conditioner comes with a removable and washable double-layer filter, protecting against dust and other airborne particles. Regular cleaning, recommended every 2 weeks of operation, ensures optimal performance and clean air for your family. Number 5. Easy installation and portability. Installation is a breeze. Just roll the unit with its 4 caster wheels into any room with a hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose and window adapter and plug it in. This portable AC's compact design makes it easy to move between rooms, catering to various spaces like kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, offices, and dorms. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11 inches depth by 11 inches width by 27 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The ZAFRO 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner encapsulates a harmonious blend of cooling efficiency, user convenience, and compact portability. With its commendable features, including a versatile 3-in-1 functionality, low-noise operation, and a washable air filter, it stands as a reliable and energy-conscious solution for creating a comfortable environment in various living spaces. The easy installation and mobility further enhance its appeal, making this air conditioner a standout choice for those seeking a balance of performance and convenience in their cooling solutions. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.